The software allows you to offer your clients various different previews of your work. One of these is a rough final drawing. To begin, put the software into real-time photorealistic perspective through the shortcut button on your toolbar or through the View drop-down menu and then clicking Real-time Photorealistic Perspective, or finally, thanks to the shortcut F12. Then in the Scene drop-down menu, choose Photorealism. A window will pop up with two tabs. In the first, you can modify the Real-time Photorealistic Perspective view, and in the second, you can modify the final photorealistic perspective. Let's look at the settings of the first tab. The Edges box corresponds to the outlines and edges of the furniture, the walls, the decoration, the household appliances, and all the edges and outlines of the object in the scene. If this box is ticked, you are letting the software know that you want to modify the edges of the objects. The following two sliders allow you to choose the type of modification. Contrast means more or less marked edges. Let's set the slider to 100% and see the result. You get a view with very sharp edges like in a drawing. Returning to the settings this time around, let's see the result of changing the Jag slider, which corresponds to more or less regular lines in the tracing. Let's slide it to 50% and see the results. The edges are now not perfectly straight but irregular, like they would be in a pencil drawing. You can adjust these two sliders until you get the result that you are looking for. Finally, let's go over the following settings. The color refers to the color of the edges. For very dark lines, for example, you can adjust the color by pushing the slider towards black. You can also choose a specific color for the edges. Next, the monochrome box gives you previews in black and white if you choose to select it. Finally, you can make the same changes to the settings in the Final Photorealism tab. These take effect when you use the Final Photorealistic Perspective view.